could I forget? I'm just his shield to protect Via.
Your Highness, how do you like that? Losing someone you love? It's your turn now! Hurry! Hurry! Protect His Highness, everyone! Follow me!
Eileen, stay with me. Go get the doctor now!
Lucian, you make me shield Vera, right? So why are you so flustered?
Helen, you're awake.
Sister, finally! His Highness has been here for 3 days straight. He hasn't even had a sip of water. Why? It's all my fault. If I wasn't there, you wouldn't get her. Shut up!
Eileen, I wish I'd take that blade for you. I was terrified when you were out. I didn't even realize how important you've become to me.
Lucian, you always says you love me. This is how you love me. You disgust me. Get out! All of you, get out! Your Highness! Your Highness!
Thank God. You're okay, Your Highness.
Vera! Vera! Throw knives at me if you like, I don't care. But why did you hurt Vera? Eileen, you've gone too far! Doctor! Doctor!
Your Highness, my head hurts so much. Am I dying? Lucian, you saved my life before, and now I've taken a blade for Vera. One life for another. We're even now. Poor thing. She's been unconscious for 2 days, and no one came to see her. Lady Vera only had a slight scratch. Her parents and the prince stayed with her the entire night. So unfair.
Lady Eileen, please stay still.
Why is it so noisy downstairs? Are they holding a funeral for Vera?
Lady Vera is holding a ball to celebrate that everyone's safe and sound. Your parents and the prince, they both agreed to it.
Help me up. They revel in such happiness now, while my mother was usurped by the pair of them and died of grief and rage.
Austin, after everything I've done for this family, and you betrayed me, even an illegitimate daughter? How could you do this to me and Eileen?
Austin loves my mother. You're the third wheel.
Eileen, I'm sorry. You must wait for it. Chance to take back what's ours, then leave this place. Promise me. Marry someone who truly loves you. I promise, Mother. Mother, I will never forget. Just 3 more days, I'll take back everything and free from all of this. No one's ever loved me. I'll learn to love myself. Lucian, you love sweet, gentle Via so much. When you meet the real her, don't be too shocked.
Even when she's not here, your eyes are still on her?
Vera!
Your Highness, my head hurts so much from being hit.
Lady Eileen, you're still recovering. Just have the wedding gown delivered. No need to come here yourself. This wedding gown is far more important than my injury.
In a few days, it'll be my ticket to freedom.
Where am I? I've been kidnapped.
Eileen Lerton, you've put your sister into a coma without a single hint of guilt. Today, I'm going to punish you for her.
I can do this. I must hold on. I'd do anything for Lucia.
Eileen of the Leetons, may your love always be blessed by the Lord.
I prayed in the church for 3 days. May the Lord always watch over you, and may you be safe, happy. I love you, forever.
Eileen, you're the first person to ever say it to me. I love you too, forever.
Lucian, you're the one who took me, and for Vera, you'll punish me?
This will hurt, but you must remember, don't ever mess with Vera again. She hurt Vera first. I can't show her mercy. Not enough. Keep going.
Lucian, I won't forgive you forever!
Elin, you're awake. I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. Sorry if I look after you more carefully. No one would have had the chance to kidnap you and hurt you. But you hurt Vera the other day, so you've learnt from it, right?
Yeah, if you say so.
Don't be upset. Our wedding is in 2 days. I got a gift for you.
5 private manors in new land, ownership deeds for the Royal South Island racetrack, and
My mother wore it on her wedding day. It has the largest diamond in our land. Do you like it?
Thank you, Your Highness. Actually, I have a gift for you too.
What is it? So mysterious.
Something you've been dreaming of. Just wait until the wedding day.
I'll wait. I hope it's a gift. I would never forget.
It will, I promise.
Didn't sleep, right?
Mother.
Excited to take your bride home?
Mother, you knew it. I'm marrying Eileen to protect Vera, that's it. I'm just curious about the gift she promised me today. Bring the dowry, we're picking up my bride.
yes, Your Highness.
Go!
You silly boy. Can't you see you love Eileen? Just marry Eileen properly, and everything can still be fixed.
Mother, you always said I should marry someone who loves me. But now I can only marry a stranger. But I'll never forget your words. I'll take back everything of you. And my freedom.
Eileen, the prince is almost here. What's taking you so long? You're not backing out, are you?
No.
These are the deeds under your mother's name, Manus's ports and business. Also the gold bars you asked for. It's all set.
Then please, Countess, send these boxes to Duke Edward's manor.
All right, as you wish. Sister, tell me, how does it feel, marrying that crippled prince? Joke of the royals?
One more word. Then I'll change my mind.
You can't scare me. Lucian loves me, I know it. He keeps you around only because he pities you. When he finds out I'm his bride, he'll be thrilled.
Yeah, he'd better. Thrilled to death.
The royal wedding procession and the Duke's household have all arrived. Put on your veil, quick!
Soon I'll be the princess, the future queen!
Count Austin, I'm here to pick up Eileen. Also, a small gift for Vera.
Bride switch was a brilliant move. Lucian cares so much for Vera. When he finds out, he'll be absolutely delighted.
Look at this one, grand and luxurious, and the other one, plain as can be. They are both Count's daughters, but totally different fate.
Thank God Vera's not marrying him, or her life is ruined.
Count Lington,
His Highness sent me to bring back to the bride.
Come inside.
Eileen, I'm here.
Lady Vila, please come with me to the Duke's residence.
Depart!
Lucian, happy wedding day.
This doesn't feel right. Like I'm about to lose something.
Eileen!
Surprise! Your Highness, it's me.
Vera? Why is it you? Where's Eileen?
Your Highness? Don't you like me?
This is all wrong. Stop the carriage!
Elan! Elan!
คลิกลิงก์ด้านล่างเพื่อดูวิดีโอฉบับเต็ม